Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Del here, and I'm going to be doing another HelloFresh unboxing. So I now know why they deliver really late at night. It's already like 11:30. It's because silly me, I put my delivery time from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. so I guess they deliver it this late. So double check your timing of delivery next time you guys do make an order. I did change my plan, that's why. So I kind of chose the wrong time, and that is the reason why they deliver this late. But I'm gonna do an unboxing now because there is frozen goods here and I can't just shove this box in my fridge. So this is a HelloFresh box for this week, and inside you'll get again this one which says HelloFresh, give 50 and you get 50 back, 50 reasons to refer your friends to HelloFresh. If you guys want to use my coupon code, I will leave the details down in the description box below for you guys to check out. And for this week, the meals that I got is the Greek style lemon oregano chicken. I got the seared beef and mashed potato, and then I got the Japanese sesame crusted salmon. And they do have color codings here on the bottom. Each color represents one of the bags. So this is what's inside our box. We've got our 3 bags here wrapped in paper bags, and this is the stickers that I was talking about earlier on. And I don't usually pull these apart because they're all set for each meal, so I just shove it in the fridge just like this. This one also, the blue one, if it's seafood, it does say fish on it. So the other stickers don't say anything on them, like they don't say what meal it goes for, just the color coding. So when it's fish, it does have written on it fish, and usually with the fish ones you have to cook them straight away. And if you're not going to cook it anytime soon, do pop it in the freezer, like pop your meals in the freezer and just defrost it whenever you guys need to cook it. But HelloFresh is designed for you guys to cook your meals straight away, like throughout the week. This bag, which is our frozen goods, and inside our frozen goods you usually have your meats. So these are the meats that we have. We've got our salmon fillets. We've also got our beef rump, and here we also have our chicken, so our breast fillets. And they also do add other things that need to be cold, which is like this one, our feta cheese, and it also does come with an ice pack. So what I do is I usually reuse these ice packs. They're great for when you are going to go on a picnic or you're going to need to travel around with food. You can reuse this, or if you have an injury, etc., you can use these ice packs. So I like to keep these ones. These are all the meals that I will be cooking this week. I will be doing a separate video on each one on how to cook and prep each meal. If you guys are interested in HelloFresh, I will leave my coupon code down below. Do check it out. You will receive $50 off your first box. You can get a box similar to this, just different recipes depending on the week that you order, and you can get it for only $20 if you guys use my coupon code. I'm going to pack all these away. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye!